snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 3 to 5 inches with locally higher amounts.
Why did that on?
Mixing with sleet or freezing rain is also possible, with little to no accumulation expected. Travel could be very difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the Monday
Probably
morning
because I
commute.
was away from it.
If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Additional information can be found at www.weather.gov/file and as well as on our Facebook and Twitter pages. Now looking at the weather patterns affecting the southern Great Lakes and Ohio Valley region. High pressure and a cool air mass will build and across the region stay through tonight. Snow will develop Sunday afternoon into Sunday night.